students, what are the merits of joint Hindu family business? Easy to start. First advantage or merit is easy to start. It is easy to start the joint Hindu family business because there is no need of any legal formality. Secrecy. Under joint Hindu family business, all the facts remain confined to Karta only. Therefore, the competing business cannot get any information, important information about it. All the secrets are with the Karta only. So, there is a lot of secrecy. Easy to start, secrecy, direct contact with the customers. The Karta of the joint Hindu family comes in direct contact with his customers. Therefore, he has a complete information about the liking, attitude and fashion of the customers. Prompt decision. Prompt means very quick decisions. The Karta of joint Hindu family business is free to take business decision. He does not need to consult anybody. So he takes quick decisions. Then direct relation between efforts and consideration. What is this now? Effort means you are working hard and you are getting consideration means results. If you work hard for your own study, you definitely get your good marks. So this is the direct relation between effort and consideration. If you know that you are studying and the marks will go to your friend, you will not study because there is no direct relation between effort and consideration. So direct relation between effort and consideration means the Karta of joint Hindu family business has the exclusive right on all the profits of the business. This gives encouragement to put in more hard work. He knows that he will get all the profits. Now then he will divide the profits among the members. But he have all the rights on the profits. So he will work very hard. Advantage of inheritable quality. The joint Hindu family business is handed over by one generation to the other, and the members of the family continue to maintain the old ideal traditions of the family. This gives the benefit of ancestral reputation to the business. If ancestral people have worked hard, then automatically their children will enjoy the benefits. Now, limitations of joint Hindu family business. There are 5 limitations of joint Hindu family business. Limited resources. The resources of joint Hindu family business are limited. This reduces the power of competition in the business. Whatever resources, whatever money they are having, they can only invest that. Nothing more than that. So, limited resources. Second is unlimited liability. You know, all other members are having limited liability, but Karta only is having unlimited liability. The responsibility of Karta in the joint Hindu family business is unlimited. Consequently, the decisions are unnecessarily delayed. So he takes due consideration. He takes a lot of time for taking decisions because he is responsible a lot. Third is dominance of Karta. The joint Hindu family business is based on the mutual cooperation, but the Karta has the absolute power of taking business decisions. Sometimes he misuses this power, which leads to the loss of love and goodwill among the members of the family. If sometimes Karta dominates the family, they do not like it. The rest of the family do not cooperate him. Limited managerial skills. It cannot be expected of any person, however intelligent he may be, to know all the intricacies of business. In the joint Hindu family business, all the decisions have been taken by the Karta. Therefore, sometimes the decisions taken are not favorable to the business. Means, maybe Karta is not fully capable of managing the business. So this is a big loss, big limitation of the business. Last is bache, lack of cooperation from members. Generally, it has been observed that the members of the family are interested in increasing their individual property rather than taking care of the joint Hindu family business. This results in the lack of cooperation from other members of the family. So these are the 5 limitations of the joint Hindu family business. Limited resources, they are having limited amount of money, unlimited liability of Karta, dominance of Karta, and limited managerial skills of Karta, and lack of cooperation by other members. If he will dominate other members will not cooperate him. Thank you. Make proper notes of this chapter. Thank you.